Sir, I'm voicing the concern of nearly 5 lakh chartered accountants who live in this country and work, and also more than 4 lakh who live abroad. Sir, they are the gatekeepers of our businesses. They are the crisis managers of our and operationalize government policies. If you remember demonetization, the ministers may announce, but it's the CAs who implemented it. Look at GST. Government makes a policy declaration, but it is the CAs who are fighting for the population and making it work, because there were so many forms, so much law, so much rules, which a common man didn't even know. The problem today is the CAs feel threatened. Their privacy is threatened. Their client confidentiality is threatened. How can agencies intrude into their profession with such impunity? Supreme Court recently castigated agencies where it said, you can't make a CA responsible for a document given by a client. I mean, you don't verify every document that your client gives you. So my first submission is, time has come for a CA Protection Act, or at least some act which protects lawyers, some law which protects doctors. So now CAs also need to be protected, sir. Second is, the CAs in India there are nearly 1 lakh CA firms, and their businesses never cross 10 crores, while the big four, the Deloitte, the PwC, the EY and PMG, they have mandates of more than 10,000 crores. The point that I'm making is, if it is time to encourage our own CAs, our own law firms, if you have invitations of mandate of more than 500 crores, which Indian law firm, CA law firm can even bid for it? So my problem is, all this is happening because these firms have great influence. Most of the children of bureaucrats, they were either joining these firms, or now these days they're becoming lawyers. So point is that I'm making is that it is high time that we encouraged our own CA law firms to become big. And that is how you will be able to reduce the influence of these big four. Otherwise, they are the ones who audit, account, and operationalize everything that happens in India. I mean, virtually all these four, they dominate Indian scene. And the last point that I want to make about CAs is about, there are more than 10,000 CAs working in West Asia. I mean, these people are your biggest support, and they are the ones who are bringing businesses and the money into India. They plan for you, they work for you, they think for you. And what is happening today?